Okay, for our green lasagna we need to prepare green pasta. So you need 180 grams of spinach already boiled and squeezed very well, 350 grams of flour, 3 eggs plus 1 or 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Now I put the water on the stove. When the water boiling, I add the salt, half or 1 teaspoon will be enough. We cook very fast our spinach. We remove, we squeeze, and we prepare the dough. I have already prepared the ragu, is there in that pot. And after that we prepare the dough, we should wait 20 minutes that our dough relaxes. Now will be too hard to smash. During this time we can prepare the bechamel, but I tell you the ingredient of the bechamel later. So let's cook our spinach. Our dough is ready. Now we cover with a plastic wrap and we put apart 20 minutes. During this time we can prepare the bechamel. For the bechamel you need 80 grams of butter, 80 grams of flour, 1 liter of milk, a pinch of salt, and pinch of nutmeg and pinch of pepper. Now we put the butter in the pot. When the butter melts, we add the flour. Using this, remember, we work very well the flour. When everything is well done, we add the milk. We can add also the salt and the pepper, the nutmeg, and when start boiling, our bechamel is ready. So we off the fire, we put apart, and we start to prepare our green lasagna or lasagna verde. Okay, our bechamel is ready. Remember to remove from the stove, if not remain too hot, and also because the stove is still hot you can spoil your bechamel. So we remove, we put apart, and we can start to smash our dough. So now we cut the pieces, we smash very thin with this 1-2 millimeter, and after we take a baking pot, we oil with the butter, and we can put a little bit of bechamel on the bottom, and after we start pasta, bechamel ragu, pasta, bechamel ragu, pasta, bechamel ragu, and we complete with the last layer with ragu usually. And you can spread, you should spread Parmesan cheese and some pieces, small pieces of butter. And after you put in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree, you cook 20-25 minutes. Some people cook the pasta before in the water and after they make the lasagna, but because we will cook 25 minutes in the oven, for sure the pasta after will be cooked. Maybe if you buy the one already, that is already made and is dry, it's better if you cook in advance. Okay, let's start it. After 30 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our green lasagna or lasagna verde is ready. But now it's too hot, we should wait 10-15 minutes. So see you later to taste our lasagna verde. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel here, to leave me a like, to watch the other video. In this video the ragu I show very fast, so if you want a specific recipe for the ragu you can find on the channel. I will put the link down here in the comments. Bye bye.